what's up everybody, it's RJ here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you my new surround sound setup. So this is my Fios TV1 cable box. It's hooked up to this Panasonic stereo. It has aux, which is the setting for this. Microphone and tape for like karaoke, and then phono, and then AM and FM. Although those two are having a little issue right now because everything's toppled onto each other, but I'm supposed to get a new antenna. This right here is Midland WR120 weather radio. It's dead. I have to put new batteries in it. This right here is a audio source, Sirius 1 equalizer. I just put it for display. But yeah, and over here is a Daewoo CD player. I use it. And there's a little glitch. Oh, there it is. If you want to hear it, then I'll show you. I just have to turn on the TV.
I'm finished with them, and I'll be deleting their phone number partways from my phone, so I never have to hear or see them again.
But yeah, you can feel it's so sorry about that. It's so bassy because of that subwoofer right there that you can feel the floor shake. And there's another little speaker up onto here, but that's only for sound purposes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe to RJ the Greatest 3, and for now, wear a seatbelt.